I used to spend hours editing my YouTube videos, cutting clips, fixing audio, adding captions, and still the video would flop until I made one decision that completely changed my channel. I stopped editing my own videos and used Fiverr instead. When I started YouTube, I thought editing was just part of the grind. I'd sit there at 2 a.m. staring at my screen, wondering why my videos looked nothing like the creators I admired. The truth? I wasn't bad at YouTube, I was bad at editing. And editing was stealing time from what actually grows a channel: ideas, consistency, and storytelling. That's when I discovered Fiverr. At first, I was skeptical. Cheap editors? Online? No way this works. But I searched YouTube video editor on Fiverr, and suddenly I saw editors who had worked on viral videos, podcasts with millions of views, faceless channels, cinematic YouTube content, all for the price of a coffee or a dinner. So I tried it. Here's exactly how I edit YouTube videos using Fiverr. First, I search YouTube video editor and filter by 4.8 plus rating, 100 plus reviews. Second, I watch their portfolio videos. This is huge. If their edits keep me watching, they'll keep your audience watching. Third, I message them before ordering. I say, "Here's my YouTube style. Can you match this pacing, captions, and energy?" Fourth, I send them my raw footage, a reference video, and clear instructions. That's it. So they sent back sharper cuts, better pacing, captions that hook attention, and most importantly, I got my time back. Instead of editing for 6 hours, I focused on making better videos, and my channel thanked me for it. If you're serious about YouTube growth, stop trying to do everything alone. Use Fiverr. Outsource the editing, and focus on becoming a better creator. Because YouTube isn't about who edits the best, it's about who tells the best story.